How to fix WhatsApp cannot receive messages. So hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix WhatsApp cannot receive messages. So to fix this issue, you can start by checking your internet connection. Just turn your Wi-Fi or your mobile data off and then back on for the stable network connection. Now the next thing what you can do is force quit and then restart the app. You see, when you open your WhatsApp Messenger app and you find some kind of issue going on with your app, you can just simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen and then pause and then swipe up on the WhatsApp app card to close it. Then reopen it again. Now the next thing what you can do is offload the app. Just go to your iPhone storage. Just go to your iPhone settings. Then go to General. Now tap on iPhone storage and then find WhatsApp from the list. Or you can just simply search for WhatsApp on your search bar. Then tap Offload App and then reinstall it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful